Hello guys, so you are using VPN on your TV in a country where YouTube, Netflix and websites are blocked, but all of a sudden your video stops playing because your VPN has stopped working. So stop trying and don't get upset because in this video we are going to solve this problem. Be sure to subscribe. Before we share our solution, we want to let you know we tried several workarounds, such as enabling developer mode by pressing the build 7 times and then turning on the background process limit to maximum 4 processes, but none of them worked. We finally realized that the problem was with our VPN. So the first VPN that kept on working in the background for us was Seed4Me. The best thing is it's free and it doesn't require any registration. It has developer support. You can select proxy servers from many countries. We tried playing YouTube for 5 minutes and it was working flawlessly. 0 VPN drops in the background. The connection was stable. The only issue we noticed was with the bandwidth speed. After exiting YouTube, we tried using Chrome web browser on our Android TV, and once again, there, the VPN connection was still up and running in the background. We used Seed4Me VPN for about 12 minutes and it was successful. The second best free VPN that gave us longer stable connection and kept on running as a background app is VPN 3000 Ultra Fast and Secure. The GUI is simple. We used YouTube without any drop in connection. To use Chrome on your Android TV, make sure to watch this video on our channel. Link will be in the description. After watching YouTube, we also tried browsing on Chrome web browser without any drop while surfing around the web. VPN 3000 allows you to choose proxy servers from many different locations, all for free. So make sure you choose the fastest one. The next best free VPN in the list is TV VPN Fast VPN Proxy, the best free VPN proxy for Android TV to unblock sites, watch online videos, bypass block apps, and so on, all for free. When connecting to TV VPN, it will automatically choose the fastest server depending on your location. We test YouTube and surf the web using Chrome web browser without any interruptions. It's time for our last VPN, and this time it's paid one, the Hotspot Shield VPN. Please note that if you want to use it on Android TV or Android TV box, then you have to purchase a subscription. VPN Hotspot Shield is best for streaming with dedicated proxy servers. If you are still having problems with the VPN connection stopping in the background, try these tips before calling tech support team. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and solutions.